Friends, this is Deepak from Nodeep. How are you? Today I'll be telling you about how you can open up a YouTube account, or I would say YouTube channel. How can you create a new YouTube channel with the same account that you have? All right. So let's get started. Click on Google Chrome, then type YouTube over here. Right. Sooner you will see the window of YouTube. Right. And here you would find four options. One is the bell icon, which is about notification. One is about your channel, if you have already created a channel. If you otherwise, it will directly show the uh, email ID from which you have logged in, right? Then the third one is YouTube apps, and the fourth one is if you want to create or directly put the video inside, then you can choose this one, right? So what I'll do, I'll directly click on my channel over here. Sooner I click over here, you will have multiple options now which will pop up. So from here you'll have to go to settings, right? So from setting, what you need to do is you need to come bit down here, and you have to choose add and manage your channel here. So sooner you click on that, you'll be taken to another window. Over here it says create a new channel, so you have to click on this. So as soon as you click on this, again it will take you to the new window. You have to choose the name of your channel as per the niche that you are choosing, because sooner you choose the brand name that you'll be branding on YouTube, accordingly you have to put the videos on it, right? So it's better to choose a particular niche that you would be putting the content for, right? So let's go ahead and put the name of our channel. Yeah. uh, yeah, all right, so this is what the name I have thought, and I'll be putting it, and I'll just have to click create. So sooner I click create, it will directly create my new channel. All right. So here, my friends, you can see my new channel has been created, right? So this is how it's really easy to create your channel.